Welcome to the WSI Priority Media YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use YouTube to market your business. So if you want to grow your business and you want to use YouTube, two primary paths that you can go. Both are really good paths, and you can use one or the other, and they really have great benefits. The first one is going the ads route. Ads route are right here, right now. You can start running ads, and you can start getting exposure. YouTube is used really great for awareness and for reach, and that's a place where I think it's just a great advantage to use ads. But the organic part of YouTube is amazing just because it is a tool that brings ongoing traffic on a continual basis. And the great thing about YouTube organic, by being able to have your videos that are found, is it's that gift that just keeps on giving, right? I mean, once it's in YouTube, I mean, you have seen videos, I mean, that will grow to, 100, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10, 20,000, a million views. And it just keeps coming. And if you're using that to promote your business and you have some really great content, the return on investment is absolutely mind-boggling what you can do with it. So it's really worth it to be able to do that. And so in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to really go after the organic side. I have another video. If you go to my website and you go to the training section on the website, there are some trainings on there on using YouTube paid ads. And so take a look at that if you're interested in the paid ads. But I really want to show you the power of organic. And so here's the key. Consistency. You're not going to just record a video and expect it to absolutely blow up and go viral. You might, luck out and might have that happen, but the algorithm is designed to reward consistency. So just keeping on going and every day continuing to do that. So I am on a journey right now. Today, I am so excited to share with you guys is day 22 of what I have created as a 90-day challenge. A friend of mine said, hey, I challenge you to create 90 videos in 90 days. Develop the muscle, develop the power of consistency. No matter what, every single day, create a new video on the topic that you know and that you love, which for me, it is Google ads, YouTube ads, video marketing, digital marketing. That's my space. And so the last 22 days have been an amazing experience for me. The first 5 were horrible. It was a lot of work learning the systems, getting all my processes down. But by day 7, 10, 12, I started getting in a swing. And then after day 15, I was like, I got this. I have this down. And I was able to really get into a groove where I enjoy this. It is really a lot of fun. And now it's becoming a labor of love. And every day I look forward to my videos. And I know that what I'm doing is I am planting seeds like a farmer. Farmers are one of the greatest people that will go on faith, right? They don't plant their seeds, go to bed, wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and freak out because the harvest isn't there yet. They understand the mentality that what you sow today, you will be able to reap tomorrow. And so what I am doing is I am sowing today a video every single day because I know that tomorrow I'm going to be able to reap the fruits of that. And so I'm laying everything out here that I'm doing. I'm going to show you the tools and the processes that I use, because if this is of interest to you, I am going to challenge you to a 90-day challenge. I'm going to challenge you for 90 days, every single day, to post something and watch what happens. But here's what I want you to do first, okay? You have to have a strategy. You have to have a roadmap. Don't just go create videos. It's not going to work. It will literally bomb on you, okay? Here's the key. You want to make sure that you've got your keyword research done first. Here's why. Think about it. YouTube is owned by whom? Google. Google is what? It is the largest search engine on the planet Earth. Their entire algorithm and system is designed all around people with intent. Intent means I come online and I'm searching for something, a type of business, a solution to a problem, right? And so YouTube follows that same algorithm. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you understand the keywords that are researched that people are searching for, and then get a list of those, and then now find those topics and then be able to put those online. But you want to make sure that you have some additional strategy behind that. A Google search is not the same as a YouTube search. Yes, people are searching for a lot of the same things, but people will search a little bit differently in YouTube than they will in Google. So you can't use your normal Google keywords. You have to look more specific for YouTube keywords. And so the tools are the key to being able to get your videos to rank. And what you want to do is you want to grab one of these two tools. It's either a Morning Fame or YouTube Buddies. Those are the ones that I like. And I use them both. And first, they're very inexpensive. And number two, they are so powerful because they make the keyword research really easy for you. And so this is Morning Fame. Morning Fame is great because you'll put in the terms and it gives you a whole lot of information about the keyword and alternatives, and based on your channel size when you're growing, it shows you long-tail keywords that are easier to rank for to help your channel get going. Super powerful, and you can, for 90 days, you can literally create all of your keywords out of Morning Fame. TubeBuddy I really like because it's a validation tool. I'm able to double check some of the numbers from Morning Fame, and then it allows you to be able to share really quickly and be able to get your videos out there. So check those both out. They're really great. I'm going to put links here to both of them in the description box, so go ahead and go there and grab those if you'd like, and share consistently. I found that it works really well to create a schedule. Schedule your topics ahead of time. Have them all laid out so that you don't want to be sitting there at 10 o'clock at night wondering, what am I going to do today? You're going to make it difficult for yourself, but if you plan ahead, it's going to be so much easier for you to be consistent. And that, my friends, is how you use YouTube to market your business. If you're marketing your business and you want to get better at it, and you're going to be committed to using YouTube, and if you're willing to accept my 90-day challenge, send me a comment down below. Let me know, hey, I'm doing a 90-day challenge because I want to be able to keep in touch with you. I want to encourage you. I want to high-five you virtually when you're done with your 90-day challenge, and I want to see what's happened with your videos, with your followers, and the end result is leads and customers that'll come to your business as a result of you being disciplined and following a process of really great video marketing. So make sure you comment below and let me know what's going on there, and as far as your 90-day challenge. If you found this to be of value, do me a favor, like it, share it, and make sure you subscribe so that you can be alerted of any new future videos that we put out.